If you're self-employed, how you pay for your health insurance can be just as important as what health insurance coverage you choose. In past videos, I've discussed how to shop for and save money on health insurance plans, and I mentioned that you can pay for insurance through your business, but I didn't really go into detail about how to do that. So in this video, I'm going to break down how to get your business to foot the bill for your benefits and explain how that can unlock some pretty big tax perks that will help keep more money in your pocket. Quick disclaimer, this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not your or anybody's financial advisor or legal counsel, but it is my goal to explain as simply as possible how you can save money by purchasing health insurance through your business. If you need additional help getting this set up, I know some people that you can talk to get some answers to any questions you have as this relates to your specific business situation. And a lot of this is going to depend on your specific business situation, your business structure, and how your business is taxed. If you're a sole proprietorship, your business is just you do business as yourself, or a standard single-member LLC, you can pay for your health insurance premiums with your personal funds, or you can put it on your business credit card if you get better cash back. It doesn't really matter from a tax perspective because your business income and expenses pass through to you and you report it all on your personal income tax return. And that's where you'll deduct your health insurance premiums as well. As long as you're not eligible for health insurance through your or your spouse's employer, you can deduct any health insurance premiums that you pay out of pocket for. So however you pay for your insurance, just keep track of how much you're paying for premiums. You'll obviously need that number when it comes time to file your taxes and claim that deduction. Note, this does not mean you shouldn't keep your business and personal finances separate. There are big tax and legal reasons why you don't want to commingle your business and personal funds. But that's another topic. Now, if you have an LLC with an S-Corp election, that's a whole other ballgame. A ballgame with lots of complicated rules, like cricket. But in a very tiny nutshell, by filing an S-Corp election, you can treat yourself as both the employer and employee of your business. And in order to explain why this is kind of a big deal, let me do a super quick primer on taxes. First, the bad news. When you're self-employed, in addition to federal, state, and local income tax, you have to pay a 15.3% FICA tax on all your net self-employment revenue. This covers Social Security and Medicare. Sometimes this is called self-employment tax, and it catches a lot of people off guard when they transition from employment to self-employment because when you're a W-2 employee, you only have to pay half this amount, is 7.65% FICA tax. What you might not know is your employer is chipping in to cover the other half of this, which is pretty nice of them. So if you're a sole proprietorship or a regular LLC, a disregarded entity, you're going to see your tax bill jump quite a bit. But if you form an LLC with an S-Corp election, you can channel your income into your personal accounts in different tax advantage ways. First of all, you can pay yourself as a W-2 employee. On the wages that you pay yourself, you're going to have to pay the full 15.3% FICA tax, but you only have to take about 40 to 60% of your business revenue as a wage, enough to be considered as a reasonable salary. The rest you can take as a distribution, and you don't pay FICA taxes on the distributions. You still have to pay income tax, but you can avoid 15.3% on almost half your income. This is where the tax savings really start to kick in. So let's bring it back to health insurance now. As an employee of your business, you'll receive payroll, which will include health insurance premiums as part of your compensation. You'll need to use a payroll service of some sort to do this. And then in order to pay your health insurance through your business, you just charge the monthly premium to your company card or pay from the business bank account. And then in the payroll system, you add that as a payroll item. And this creates a few more layers of tax benefits. Health insurance premiums are exempt from the FICA tax, but they're still counted as part of your wage. They count towards the reasonable compensation you have to pay yourself to stay compliant. So, in other words, the chunk of income that you do have to pay FICA taxes on, part of that you don't have to pay FICA taxes on. So that further increases your total tax savings. And then also, all your wages are deductible business expenses that reduce the total net income on the business's tax return. That's the Form 1120S. And that further lowers your tax liability. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are even more benefits to an S-Corp election, like retirement account contributions that you can use to further reduce your taxable income and help preserve your eligibility for premium tax credits on marketplace insurance plans. I'm geeking out here a little bit. I did a whole other video that kind of touches on that. There's a whole lot of moving parts and a lot of stipulations, and it's easy to get tripped up and possibly fall out of compliance if you're not an expert in business finance and taxes. That's why I rely on other people to handle this for me and make sure it's done right. I've been working with the team at S-Corp for 3 years now, and for as much money as they've helped save me in taxes, they've saved me even more time and peace of mind. I used to try to figure all this stuff out on my own, which I didn't mind to an extent, but when I started treating my business like a business and decided to invest a little bit of money into professional services that would save me even more time and money, that marked a big shift in my mindset and my business growth. If you're interested in learning more and want to see if an S-Corp election might benefit your business, click the link in the description to book a call with my friends at Formations. They'd be happy to help talk things through, see if it's a good fit. If you're still early on in your self-employment journey, you can still take advantage of that health insurance premium deduction and save some cash. Running your own business and navigating stuff like insurance and taxes can be daunting, but self-employment doesn't have to be by your self-employment. If there's anything I can do to help, please reach out, and please subscribe for more tips, tricks, reviews, and encouragement for your self-employment journey. My name is Dave, your trusty sidekick. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.